Welcome friends, my friends. So today we are going to see this sketch. We are going to design this sketch. It is the result for milling operation. So we design this sketch in SolidWorks, and finally we will see how to use SolidWorks CAM to generate these operations on milling operation. So I hope you enjoy. We will operate this hole, we will cut this hole, we will cut these slots, and then we see the tool paths and the tool movement from machine to perform the operation. I hope you enjoy the video. Subscribe to our channel to get more. So let's start. Open new part. Okay, sketch, choose front plane, a sketch, choose center rectangle, start from origin. Okay, assign a dimension, give this length 200 millimeter, give this width 100 millimeter. Okay, extrude up to 30 millimeter. Okay, say okay. Select this face normal, go to sketch, choose circle, sketch circle, and assign dimension, give this circle 20 diameter, give this distance from origin 15 millimeter, and this also give it to 15 millimeter. Okay, redefine it, say okay. So go to features, cut extrude, blind, lower. Okay, you see isometric, select this hole, mirror about top plane. Okay, select also these two holes, go to mirror about right plane. Okay, select this face normal, choose line, sketch line, start from this one. Okay, okay, select this corner, go to fillet, sketch fillet, give 20 radius. Okay, say okay. Okay, give this length 5 millimeter, give this one 70 millimeter. Okay, select this origin, control key, with this one, select this origin, hold control, select this one, make it vertical. Okay, already define it. So go to features, cut extrude, extrude up to 20. Okay, so go to sketch, select this face, a sketch, go to sketch, select center point, slots, arc. Okay, assign dimension, give this one 70 millimeter, give this radius 12. Okay, redefine it. So features, cut extrude up to 10. Okay, say okay. So go to sketch, select this face, a sketch, go to straight slot, start from this origin up to this one. You see, assign dimensions, give this one 15 and assign this 20. Okay, predefined features, cut extrude, extrude up to 10. Okay, isometric, you see, can change appearance. By default, select this part, appearance, choose this one. Let's see, choose this one. Okay, let's make white plain. Okay, so now our part is ready. We are going to perform this operation. So let's insert this fillet, this round corner, add 10 radius, say okay. You see, so then our part is ready. Now we are going to use the milling machine to perform this operation. We will see. We will see. Save as milling operation. Save. So now our part is ready. We are going to perform milling operations by using SolidWorks CAM. We'll cut these holes, we'll cut this center straight slot, we'll cut this side, we'll make this round corner radius. I hope you enjoy. So let's insert this round corner. Okay, fillet, add 5. Okay, let's see. Okay, so you see, my friends, now our part is ready. We are going to perform these all operations by using milling machine in SolidWorks software. I hope you enjoy. So let's start. But go to SolidWorks CAM, define machine. So select this milling metric. Okay, medium duty, select. Okay, you see it is displayed to this manager tree. This side shows all operations you are going to perform on your workpiece. This side is called manage tree, picture manage tree. Okay, so after defining the machine, go to coordinate system. You see, this is the coordinate system. It moves from z axis, it comes from z axis. You see, to perform operation, say okay. Stock manager, we are going to give tolerance to our workpiece so that our tool start facing step number 1. So as it comes from z axis, we are going to increase this one only. You see, this is how to increase the distance from the cutting tool start operation to our workpiece. So this 40 is too large, use 1 only. You see, it's enough. Okay, say okay. So setup, go to mill setup. You see, it is starting from this origin by performing operations. Say okay, no problem. Then extract machinable features. You see, all operations are displayed in this manager tree. This manager tree. Okay, this is the pocket one. How it is going to perform this all operations up to the whole. You see, this is the whole. Then go to generate operation plan. Okay, this is how our machine is going to perform these operations by using this number of tools. We have T04 for front end. You see this front end on our slot. We have T04 also for front end, like a finishing tool. We have T05 for front end on the out. You see this round corner, you see. So we have T01 for front end, like finishing. We have T05, you see. This is the number of tools we are going to perform, and we have T14 as drilling tools, and this is the finishing tools in drilling. So let's generate tool paths. So this is how tool comes from home position up to your workpiece to perform the work. You see, this is tool paths on last milling and drilling hole. You see this tool paths. I hope you enjoy. Then simulate tool path. Go to simulate tool path. You see, this is my workpiece fixed in milling machine. Then we are going to perform the operations we have set in machine. So you can show translucent display. You see, this all operation are going to be performed by using the machine. So then have shaded display to have full workpiece. Then friends, we are going to learn machine to perform the all operations we have set in machine. Okay, let's learn machine. You can decrease speed. You see, can decrease speed to see operation where. So learn machine. You see, this is how cutting tool moves from home position up to the workpiece. You see, this is good. So it is going to perform all operations, all slots, and it is it is going to drill the holes and perform all machines results for the workpiece. So follow the operation up to the end. This is how workpiece is being done. So subscribe to our channel to get more videos. I hope you enjoy these videos. So you see how it brings finishing tools, how to change tool according to the step. You see, this is good. This is very nice. This is CAD CAM SolidWorks CAM in milling operation. You see, look how it changes the tool according to the operations it reaches about. So you see, it goes slowly by performing the operation to have good appearance. You see how it changes the tool for performing the round corner. You see on the slots, you see how it is performing the task. You see how it changes the tool. It's better. You can increase speed. You see how it advances to workpiece to perform that slots. Okay, very nice. You see how it forms the round corner and it goes to from side to side. That is SolidWorks CAM. Okay, it's better. You see, that is good. Then you can increase speed. can increase speed. You see, you can increase speed somehow too. And if you see how to change the tool for bringing finishing tool, you see, that is good. It moves about on another side. It changes tool to move on another side. You see how it perform the work. Very nice. So do a scam. This is good. So you bring your full worker piece and set in your machine and set the process according to the tool you need, and in the machine itself perform those operations. Very nice. Good. So you see how to perform all tasks according to the design. That is software scam. You see, follow at the end, it is going to perform all tasks, all operations have set it in your machine, in your design. You see how it makes the round corner. That's amazing. So you see, it is going to change the tool. So wait and see, it is going to change the tool to bring finishing one. Okay, you see how to make round corner. Very nice. You see, that is good. So you see how you change the tool for finishing one. You see, the tool goes flow by the tool path. We have set it in our machine. You see, how it change the tool for marking the hole and bring the drilling tool. You see, this is how to perform operations, different operations by using SolidWorks CAM. I hope you have enjoyed the video. So subscribe to our channel to get more videos. And next time we will see how to say okay. You see, this is the shape we have. Next time we will see how to generate NC code for these operations. So friends, thank you.